Hello, dear students. In the last session of fermentation technology, we have already started with the vinegar production, in which we have seen that the vinegar is nothing but the aqueous solution of alcohol, which contains different kinds of salt, sugars, esters, etc., and about 4% of acetic acid. We have also seen the different types of vinegar. In the today's session, we are going to study about the microorganisms used for the production of vinegar as well as the production process used at the industrial level for the vinegar production. So, first we will see the microorganism used for the production of vinegar. At the commercial production of vinegar is carried out by a special group of acetic acid bacteria, which are divided basically into two groups. First one is gluconobacter, which oxidizes ethanol to convert it into acetic acid, and the second genera is the acetobacter. These acetobacters are characterized by their ability to convert ethyl alcohol into acetic acid by the oxidation process. यहाँ क्या होता है? The acetobacter species. These acetobacter species, it oxidizes ethanol by the anaerobic process under anaerobic condition into acetaldehyde, and these acetaldehyde in the aerobic condition, it is converted into acetic acid and water molecules are released. These acetobacter species, they are generally gram negative and acid tolerant. For example, Acetobacter aceti or Acetobacter peroxidans or Acetobacter pasteurians are the microorganisms which can be utilized for the production of acetic acid or vinegar. So these are about the microorganisms used. Now we will study about the actual production process of vinegar at industrial level. It is said that for every molecule of ethanol, if one molecule of ethanol is oxidized, then one molecule of acetic acid can be produced. Means, for example, the high yield obtained from our strain can be 11 to 12% of acetic acid from 12% of alcohol. And if we consider about the vinegar, this vinegar is made from the variety of diluted alcohol products. It may be wine, it may be different kinds of alcohols, it may be champagne, it may be malts which contains low alcohol content, can be used for the production of vinegar. And the most commonly used are wine, beer, rice, etc. Now, as we have discussed earlier, that the acetobacter are generally gram-negative organisms and they are microscopic bacteria. And for the growth, they are generally aerobic in nature. They require oxygen bubbles for their growth. And as we have studied earlier, the fermentation of grapes as well as the production process of wine, in that we have seen that the wine is produced under anaerobic condition or in the absence of oxygen. So this process of vinegar production, as we use here Acetobacter species, it completely depends on the presence of oxygen. So in the natural process the acetobacters are allowed to grow for longer time. In the vinegar factory में क्या किया जाता है, पहले these acetobacters are provided with the proper nutrients into alcohol tanks. Different types of nutrients or the feedings like acetozyme nutrients are provided inside the alcohol, and in these feed or in these nutrients the acetobacter is grown. तो यहाँ क्या होता है, there is a formation of mother of vinegar. Now what is mother of vinegar? The mother of vinegar is a film that appears on the surface of alcohol product as it is converted to vinegar. एक फिल्म जैसी या फिर एक स्मूथ लेयर अल्कोहल के ऊपर तैयार हो जाता है विच कंटेन्स द एसिटोबैक्टर स्ट्रेन, एंड दैट फिल्म which is developed on the surface of the alcohol product, it is known as mother of vinegar. It is a natural carbohydrate which is called as cellulose, and this film it has the high concentration of acetobacter species. तो क्या किया जाता है, ये जो फिल्म तैयार होती है दैट फिल्म इट इज़ रिमूव्ड और इट इज स्कीम्ड फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द अल्कोहल, एंड देन दिस फिल्म इज एडेड into the batches of alcohol to increase the speed of formation of vinegar. तो यहाँ हम इनोकुलेशन कैसे किया जाता है कि हम अल्कोहल में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऐड करते हैं. न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऐड करने के बाद हमारी जो स्ट्रेन है एसिटोबैक्टर स्पेसीज की वो स्ट्रेन ऐड करते हैं, एंड इट इज़ लेफ्ट एज इट इज़ फॉर सेवरल टाइम एट नियर अबाउट 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस. जब उसमें ग्रोथ होनी शुरू हो जाती है इट फॉर्म्स अ फिल्म ऑन द इट्स लेयर, एंड दिस फिल्म it is inoculated in the fermentation tank which contains alcohol, and then the production of vinegar starts. And here the acetozyme nutrient provide करने का काम करता है, and these acetozyme nutrient are man-made mother of vinegar in the powdered form. Different types of herbs or fruits can be added in the vinegar production which increases or develops a different flavor to the vinegar. Then commonly used herbs are garlic and basil. लहसुन या फिर पुदीना वगैरह ऐड करके उसको विनेगर को स्पेसिफिक फ्लेवर दिया जाता है. Then different types of fruits can also be added, just like raspberries, cherries or lemons can be added to change the flavor of vinegar. So now we will actually move towards the production methods used for the of vinegar. अब तक हमने ये देखा कि हम इनोक्यूलम कैसे डेवलप करते हैं. नाउ वी हैव डेवलप्ड द इनोक्यूलम, एंड नाउ we will see the actual process of production of vinegar. There are two types of process. First one is Orleans method and second one is submerged method. Now the Orleans method it can be also known as the old or natural method of production of vinegar. Here generally the wooden barrels या फिर wooden containers यूज किए जाते हैं. In these wooden containers at the top wooden जो barrels होते हैं वो wooden barrel के top पर holes किए जाते हैं. Now here just you imagine this is an wooden barrel. तो ये जो वुडन बैरल होते हैं, इस वुडन बैरल के टॉप पर होल्स किए जाते हैं. होल्स करने के बाद देयर इज द एडिशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, एक बार हमने यहाँ होल बना लिए तो ये होल के जस्ट नीचे तक हम क्या करते हैं, अल्कोहल ऐड करते हैं. आफ्टर द एडिशन ऑफ अल्कोहल वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि ये जो होल्स है, ये होल्स के ऊपर अल्कोहल का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं जाना चाहिए. दैट अल्कोहल poured इन द barrel should be filled to the level just below the holes on the end. Okay, तो यहाँ तक हमने अल्कोहल फिल कर दिया. अल्कोहल फिल करने के बाद हम इसमें ऐड करते हैं मदर ऑफ विनेगर. मतलब जो फिल्म एसिटोबैक्टर की जो फिल्म हमने बना ली थी, दैट फिल्म वे ऐड इन दिस वुडन बैरल. एक बार इसमें हमने फिल्म बना ली तो बाद में हम क्या करते हैं, ये जो होल्स होते हैं, इस होल्स को नेट से या फिर स्क्रीन्स वगैरह यूज करके सील कर लेते हैं. देन वी सील दिस होल्स and then these netting or screening are done to prevent the entry of insects or the dust particles or the chances of contamination. तो एक बार हमने ये सील कर ली, then these barrels are kept as it is. ये बैरल्स को हम पूरी तरह से सील कर लेते हैं. आफ्टर सीलिंग दिस बैरल्स आर केप्ट फॉर सेवरल डेज और सेवरल मंथ्स एट 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर इस बैरल को कई महीनों तक रखा जाता है. एंड एट स्पेसिफिक टाइम इंटरवल बीच बीच में क्या किया जाता है, इन होल्स को ओपन करके यूजिंग अ स्टराइल पाइप अ सैंपल इज रिमूव. इसमें से एक सैंपल निकाल के चेक किया जाता है उसमें ही विनेगर प्रोडक्शन हुआ है या नहीं. इफ द विनेगर प्रोडक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड देन द प्रोसेस इज स्टॉप्ड एंड रिमूवल ऑफ विनेगर इज डन फ्रॉम द बैरल्स. बैरल में से विनेगर निकालते वक्त 15% ऑफ द लिक्विड प्रेजेंट इन दिस बैरल is kept as it is to use these 15% liquid for the next production of vinegar or the next batch of vinegar production. So what we have done here, first we have taken the wooden barrels and holes are drilled to the ends of the barrel. Then the alcohol is poured into the barrel just below the holes, and then the mother of vinegar is added. After this addition, netting or screenings or the screens are placed on the holes to prevent the insect from getting it into the barrels. The filled barrels are allowed to sit for several months at the room temperature or near about 29 degrees Celsius. And then samples are taken periodically by the side holes, and when the alcohol has converted to the vinegar, it is drawn off and about 15% of liquid is left in the barrels for the next batch culture. Okay, this is the first method of production of vinegar, which is Orleans method. In the next session, we will study the second method of vinegar production, which is submerged fermentation method. Thank you.